In this video, we can talk about top 5 Radiant Imaging Labs alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today, we have a real treat for all photographers and creatives out there. We'll be exploring the alternatives to Radiant Imaging Labs, the software that has won hearts across the community. But there's always room for improvement, right? So get ready to witness the top 5 alternatives of Radiant Imaging Labs, which are Picwish, Picsart, Skylum Luminar, Picmonkey, and Lensa. Buckle up as we take your photo editing game to a whole new level. Our first alternative is Picwish. Picwish is an innovative photo editing platform that allows you to transform your images with creative effects, filters, and artistic overlays. It offers features like watermark remover, JPG conversion, and image compression. Its user-friendly interface and extensive editing tools make it popular among photography enthusiasts and social media influencers alike. One of the standout features of Picwish is its Magic Brush tool, which intelligently detects and enhances specific elements in the photo, adding a touch of magic to every edit. Our second alternative is Picsart. Picsart is a comprehensive creative platform that combines photo editing, graphic design, and social networking features. It offers exciting features like Collage Maker, Video Resizer, and Video Trimmer. Besides being a powerful photo editing tool, Picsart serves as a hub for artistic collaboration, where you can access a wealth of user-generated content, participate in challenges, and get inspired by others' creations. And one of the standout features of Picsart is its Remix feature, enabling you to edit and remix each other's images and promoting collaborative creativity. Moving on, we have Skylum Luminar. Skylum Luminar is a cutting-edge photo editing software that leverages AI technology to streamline the editing process and deliver stunning results. It offers excellent features like image sharpening, portrait background remover, and online photo editor. It caters to both beginners and professional photographers, offering a customizable workspace and a vast library of presets for quick enhancements. Skylum Luminar's standout feature is its AI Skin Enhancer and Portrait Enhancer, which enable you to retouch and improve portraits with natural-looking results. Moving on, we have Picmonkey. Picmonkey is an intuitive online photo editor designed to simplify the editing process for users of all skill levels. It offers a plethora of features including background remover, smart resize, and template sets. With a wide range of tools for basic adjustments, graphic design, and collage creation, Picmonkey empowers you to elevate your visuals effortlessly. The standout feature of Picmonkey is its Touch-Up Toolkit, offering advanced retouching options like wrinkle and blemish removal and digital makeup application, perfect for portrait editing. Last but certainly not least, we have Lensa. Lensa is an AI-driven photo editing app tailored specifically for mobile users and analyzes images to offer one-tap enhancements, ensuring every photo looks its best with minimal effort. It comes with exciting features like skin refining effects, Illustrator photo editor, and background editor. Lensa's focus on simplicity and speed makes it a go-to choice for mobile photographers who want quick editing solutions on the go. Lensa's standout feature is its background blur tool, which intelligently blurs the background of portrait photos and elevates the overall aesthetics of the image. Compared to Radiant Imaging Labs, Picwish allows you to apply effects selectively with precision, making the editing process efficient and creative. Picsart goes beyond editing tools and offers endless possibilities for fun and imaginative creations, setting it apart as a platform for artistic expression and entertainment. Skylum Luminar enables you to transform the sky in your photos with incredible realism, making it a favorite choice for landscape and outdoor photographers. Picmonkey is known for its extensive library of design templates and also offers a wide range of creative options, from social media graphics to eye-catching promotional materials. Lensa focuses on enhancing portraits with natural retouching, smoothing skin imperfections while preserving facial characteristics. Amongst the 5 alternatives mentioned above, we would recommend Skylum Luminar as the best alternative to Radiant Imaging Labs. With its cutting-edge AI technology, Luminar streamlines the editing process and delivers impressive results, saving time and effort. And the best thing about Skylum Luminar is its customizable workspace and extensive library of presets that cater to both beginners and professionals, offering a seamless and efficient editing experience. Thanks for tuning in to explore these amazing photo editing alternatives with us. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.